What's up, guys? This is HH Trader back with another video. I know I'm getting started a little bit late today, but it's because I've been doing a little bit of data collection out here, and I've seen that in the beginning of the trading day, it's just really not a good time for me to be jumping in. Most of my losing trades happen within the first 5 minutes. So I let those first 5 minutes play out, and we're looking to see if anything can get strong again, get back over VWAP, and start moving up. Anyway, we do have some movers out here. Let's go ahead and look at XELB with no news moving up. Now we have seen several halts on no news stocks, and with these no news stocks, we have seen some big gaps down. I mean, just dangerous gaps down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be safe today, and I'm going to trade things with news that are moving up, low floats with news that are moving up. We see FTIV right here. Let's see what's the news on it this morning. Had a halt, had it announced an execution of definitive business combination agreement. Okay, it is a little bit more expensive, so it's double topping right there. I don't really see anything that will give me initiative to buy this one. So no news really is making sense out here right now. So let's go look at something else. IPDN looking weak. We can put some levels up here just in case it wants to come back and challenge some of these levels. I have about $987 left to trade today. Or I say left, I haven't taken any trades today, but I have that much to trade today. This one has resistance up here at the 218. 225 is like the spot to be for it, but it may go ahead and fade throughout the day. IMAC is another one that is kind of fading. Has, I would say, resistance. The first resistance point I would like to see it hit is that 175 right there for that resistance. Matter of fact, we can just put it on a red to green move here. So put that resistance there at the 168. We want to see it hold the 168. We'll put a resistance up here on that 1 minute. And let's see what else is looking good. This one has resistance all the way up here on the 1 minute, 220. Support down here on the 1 minute, 190. Let's see, 5 minute. We can go ahead and draw that support and resistance. Like I said, today I'm being way more patient because most of my losers come within this first 5 to 10 minutes of the market. So I'm really giving it some play time and really allowing it to show me what it has to offer. IMAC trying to get up there to that 168. Got 175 right here. 175. Let's see if we can get a pullback above VWAP. That would be nice. FTIV still pushing up. Very expensive stock. I don't really trust it. Very expensive right there. Getting weak at that 1250. So very extended, very expensive stock. So it looks good, but I would like to trade something with a little bit more power. This one has a high of basically resistance right here. Basically the $2 level right there. It is a very low flow stock. Holdings completes first infusion of stem cells to in a study for the treatment of bradykinesia. That's a word right there, due to Parkinson's. All right, so it's giving the pullback above VWAP there. We would like to see it break this 175 right there. Let's see, draw our resistance here of the 175 there. See if it can hold up VWAP here and get above that 176 mark. That's what we would like to see it. Right now it is working its way up to being the top dog. So 175 break is what we're looking for. 176, and we'll get 100 shares up here if it can go. Looking like it's pulling back a lot though. Okay, we'll buy 176 if it can get me in. See if it can push. Did give the move, but there, that pullback right there does not look friendly. We're gonna give it a minute. See if it can make moves here. Get back over the 70s and push out. We have a 100 share position going in. Okay, looking like it wants to knock through. A lot of resistance keeping it out of those 70s. Yep. All right. Never mind on that one. Canceled that order. Needs to do a 1 minute pullback above VWAP again for me to kind of trust it. This one's under VWAP. Okay, this one's just steady grinding up. It's too expensive for me. I don't want this type of stock. Even though it has good news on the day, it's just not my forte to be trading that kind. We want to see a 1 minute pullback over here. It is working its way up, but we gotta see that 1 minute pullback. I don't care how high it goes. I've learned my lesson trying to jump in on these. Now, if you would have bought the break of the VWAP, well, you would have had a winner. But for me, I don't really care about that. I want continuation, a little bit of continuation on these stocks, so that I can get in at a good price. And it's fighting to stay out of the. See, it keeps breaking that 210. It needs to hold up that 210 right there. Give us a pullback here. Okay, a little bit of a pullback there. 211s. It did not give us a true pullback, so I'm still not gonna buy there. Even if it goes higher, I don't like that. FTIV. This is the first 15 minutes of the market here, so we'll see. This one can get all excited. It can do whatever it wants, but I do not want it as long as it's pulling back now. Now it's giving that pullback that we need. 217 is looking like the spot. I'll be in at 220 if it can pull back up. If it can pull back up. 225 break would be better. 226 with 100 shares up there. That'll be nice. We'll put that order up there and wait to see what happens. If it can get it. What else do we have down here playing around? Gene, what in the world? News? No news today. Moving very slow, very low volume. Moving up this much on 1 million shares traded. Okay, that's scary. So I'll stick up here to what is currently giving me the best moves here. I could get in right here on the 215, but I just don't trust it. Even if it does go, I just don't trust that. All right, we're getting ready to get in. Looks like past that 25. If it can go, we're looking, waiting, watching. Giving a nice little pullback right there. Ooh, there's another 1 minute pullback. Okay, we're looking like we want to go. Past that 20, that 26 is my entry. Trying to fight, trying to stay away from that 210 right there. It's got to get bought up here. Okay, looks like we're about to go, guys. Let's get it. Ooh, wow, that was some rejection right there. Rejection at that level of the 220. Super rejection. All right, so that top right there, high of the 221, we'll actually stay where we are right now. See if it can break. But right now it just does not look like it wants to go. Gene is up to $4 now. Gene is up to $4. And is it failing? Yep. All right, we'll wait on Gene to see what it, and yeah, we'll wait on Gene. Gene is looking crazy. We're waiting on this one to kick out so we can take quick profits. The top up here, maybe the 242 area. Draw our resistance here. 245 area. Keeps on kind of holding this level, but we're not seeing strength through this level. The high is the 227. So if it wants to go, it's gonna have to break that 25. All right, will it break the bottom of this level? 212. Will it break the bottom of that 212? Okay, looks like it's gonna come on and get me in. Looks like coming with some strength there. Then losing the strength. That's what I don't like about it. It continues to lose the strength. So I'm gonna go ahead and be a little bit safe and go ahead and get in at the 27 up there, because I don't know what this thing wants to do. I'll buy it at the 28, right above that high. All right, double bottoming there. Oh, will it stay above VWAP there? Okay, now we're getting a little pullback. So that's a fake out on the shorts. So now we're getting that pullback. 221, 225 is where we want to be in now. Did get a nice fake out on the shorts there. So let's see what it can do. Gene fading. Yeah, still very low volume there. I don't like that. All right, 220s. So into the 220s is a pretty good spot to be. Put it at 221. I'd love to see that break of that 225 there though. Looking kind of weak here. Did get its let's see, the high 221. So we are looking, are waiting, are watching. Sitting at the 225 for an entry. All right, where is that? Almost got me in there. See if it can pull back through and jump in there. Getting up there, getting up there. The high was the 25. Okay, we're in there. Looking to be out down here at the, wow. Down here on the bottom of this one, 208. Wow, man, really? 208. 100 shares. That's crazy. I mean, come on now. Wow, it's gonna stop me out. With that kind of action, it's gonna stop me out. Yep. It's getting bought up there, but it's gotta stay up. That low is a 206. Wow, that was 20. I think that was like 20 bucks right there. That was insane. I just knew it was gonna break out right there, but it's okay. We are still good. We're still golden. 17 cents. So that was 17 bucks right there. Trying to be patient with these things, but wow, that was something serious right there. Well, the new level to get in, It's definitely that 227. I didn't think it was gonna get me in. I should have just moved my my buy in on that one. It did kind of clip me and get me in at the last minute, but whatever. Took a little dip. I was looking for a push through that top right there, which is 227 again. It's okay. Gene, failing VWAP, FTIV, falling down, NT, that's a little bit expensive. So wow, we still got 700 bucks left. I can definitely make up that $17, but man, that puts me down on the day. I set it right at the top, looking for that break of that 25. Right at the top. Something told me put it at 28 and just let it ride. But you know what? Hindsight trading. All right. It's like we're trying to get back over VWAP here. 227 would be the breakout spot though. That's where I'll be buying into the 230s. Has plenty of volume. Just needs to start moving. So we did wait that first 5 minutes of the market open. And right now we're just looking for strength. Like nothing is being strong right now. But I'll just take my little $700 and wait for a look at this. Look at this. All right. So it looks like it's trying to hold up VWAP. Let's see if it can get over this 215 area and start holding that 215 area is what we want to see. Let's see, 215. Now I'll go ahead and slap an order up there at 230s or 231. And I will definitely be in up there on that breakout if it wants to go. But it's got a long way to work its way up there to me. All right, so we got that one. And that's the biggest mover so far right now today. Everything else is kind of not moving at all. It's getting up here to that 215 area. Trying to see if it can hold that area and we can get some buyers over here on the tape. We see some green 215s there. We need to see more 215s. It would be great to see a pullback above VWAP off of this. That would be really nice. I can't believe it got me in. It snatched me down from the 226 down to the 208. That was crazy. But yeah, I'm good. I'll just wait for that 230 to break since they want to be wild. I could actually play within this range. Play the 215 break here and just sell quickly. But the problem is, even if it goes up, let's see, 215 to 226, I'm not gonna make that much on that move. I want the explosion. All right, there's 215. Can it start holding 215 up here? Getting pushed down, double topped right there. Not looking great. Is a long way away from my stop in. Gene down to the 280s. Did a little bit of a bounce, but no volume to really hold it up there. That one's a little bit expensive. All right, so yeah, this is the one to watch right there. 215. I'm looking for that 230 break, and I would hate for it to go on this candle. Matter of fact, I might actually move it just in case it does pop through, because I don't want it on. It'll be extended on this candle. If it starts working up there too fast, I'll cancel that order. We need to see another bottom formed. All right, 20s. Hey, it may actually blast through, huh? 22. Can we go into the 30s here? We have about 30 seconds left on this candle. Hey, wow. Wowzers. Almost got me in. I'm going to leave it there. It's looking strong now. Snatch back down. 211 is our out. 211 there. 211 right there is our out. So we're just going to let it play. Let it do what it does. And we'll start snatching off in just a bit. They're playing up there, getting it on up. Can we get back to the green on 100 shares? We're up 10 cents right now. See if it can challenge that 50. I'll start taking off right here. Okay, took a little bit there. We are in the green. Took a little bit there. Took a little bit there. Took a little bit there. And now I'll go ahead and place that back at break even. Actually, let me get ready to take some more there. At the 50. Took a little bit there. Took a little bit there. Still grinding up. Took a little bit there. 40 shares left. Took a little bit there. 10 shares left. All out. Let's get all out. Alright, so that was a good trade right there. We did take that right there. Nice, nice, nice. Looking for the next push into the 60s to 61. Out, low 48. $227 here. $227. We all out. Low 248. 48. We all out. Alright, so we did grow it a little bit right there. Grow our account just a little bit. Got back to the green on the day. We're going to let that one play out. Kind of give us a pullback here. A true pullback. Next entry would be the 283 there. Alright, we'll enter with 50 shares there. 285. Alright, we are in. Going up to the threes. Hitting a nice little wall there. 10 shares left. 5 shares left. We broke the threes. And we took there. So we grew our account 1% today. Nice, nice, nice. Out before the halt. Is that a halt? Yep. Out before the halt there. Out before the halt. That was an amazing trade right there. Got all out right there. Amazing, amazing, amazing trade. Let me look at my gains here. Look at this. I took so many trades right there. And look at all of them over 10 cents. 10 cents. Now there's one little 5 cents, but still. Most of them, I lost at $17 at the beginning of the day, and then I capitalized. I capitalized big time right there. Up 20 bucks right there. But grew the account 20 bucks, which is nice, and saved myself from a halt. So we'll see what that wants to do. Let's go and look elsewhere. We got $113 left. I will definitely be watching that out of the halt. I can't believe I got all of that out before that halt. I was like, yep, take. Because on this platform that I'm using, I can't see halt levels. So I have to be very smart with what I'm doing with that. Amazing trade right there. Waited. And so I think that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to start waiting that first maybe until 9 o'clock really. So I might start going live at market open and then seeing what it does from there, because these are the kind of trades usually I use all of my equity up here, and then I get to a point like this and I miss this whole move because I'm out of equity. But as you can see, we did get some nice growth, and I saw it going towards that halt level, or towards kind of feeling like it was going to go into a halt, so I really started taking off and sizing down there. But anyway, that was an amazing trade. We'll be watching this one to open. We got $100 left. We can take, let me see how many shares I can take on this. We can take 309, or 113 divided by 309. We have room to take 36 shares. So I'll be trading fives on this one once it comes out of the halt, just to size down and use my money wisely and see if we can get a little bit more growth. I'm so glad I caught that thing out of the before it halted, because yesterday some of these were halting and they were opening down, like way down. So amazing trade right there. I'm glad I wasn't, sometimes people say, well, you should have held, but if I would have held all of that, like what, I think I just traded like 300 shares or something like that, almost 300 shares would have been stuck in this halt. And I don't know if it's going to go halt down here to the 175 or halt up. I don't know what's going to happen there. But right now, it looks like the high is a 309. It closed at the 1009, so it should be opening in about a minute. Let me go to the halt website and see what time it's supposed to be opening. It's a volatility halt. It happened at 10:04:51, so it should be opening up at 10:09:51. So let's look at that. 10:09. So it has about a minute left for this one, and we'll see what we can get. Amazing trade. These are the kind of trades that I want to look for after open. Let the open happen, and then get these kind of trades where I have information and I can see the level that needs to break. That's what I'm working on, because so many times I get impatient. I see this kind of move happen up here and I'm like, well, I need to just jump in. So I jump in and I try to take that trade there, but all of the sellers, all of the shorts and things are in this area in that first 5 minutes. So as it's going up, shorts are killing it. But with this kind of move, of course, the shorts can be easily knocked out. We got about 40 seconds here, and I'll see if I can make just a little bit more. I don't have enough equity to be dangerous to myself, so I'm good. I want to get this in. We are up on the day, 1% of the account. I would love to be up 2%, but hey, we're about to open up here. Should be opening any second now. There it is. Halt down. Can we get some movement up through the 3? Took right there. I took 5 shares right there, looking for it to go higher. I'll be out down here on the 75, 5 shares, 75, 5 shares. All right, there. All right, we are still going up here. Nice little gain, 13-cent gain right there. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and take up here. Take right there. Let that be my winnings. Locking in profit right there on 5 shares. 5 shares locked in that profit. Let's see if we can get through the 50. 50s. There we are. Right. I did get, yeah, there we are. Okay. 70s. It might be in another halt right there. Yeah. All right, cool. We'll set our, oh, wow, it's not halted. Okay. Take right there. Grew that account 5 shares, y'all. 5 shares, getting major moves through the 5. Let's go ahead and set an order up here at the $4 if it wants to break that $4. We'll put it up there right there. See if it can break that $4. Last time it was a fake halt. Let's see if this is a real halt. Yep, halted. Cool, cool, cool beans. Got the money out of there, looking for a little bit more. So that is how you take profit on very small share size. Where are those open dates? So I opened. Okay, so this is the trade I just made. 41 cents on 5 shares. Insane. Like I said, I don't have much capital right here, but I am using what I have to increase this account. And I'm really liking this trading style, you know, waiting, because I'm a very patient person. And what I'm doing by jumping in the beginning of these market swings is not playing on my strength, which is patience. And so if you're not a patient person, hey, you do you. But I just made some moves here, made some money here, came out of the halt, bought 5 shares from the 317 up to the 392, made that money, and I'm just grinding it up, grinding this account up. I don't care how small the share size is, the system, the strategy works. That's what works. And that's all I'm worried about. Does my strategy work? And I got some really good advice from a guy named Paul, I believe. And he told me, look, don't focus so much on the money. Focus on getting the strategy. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm not even focusing on the money, not even looking at how much I'm making per trade, just looking at the percentage that I'm growing the account. And that was some really good advice from him. If he does watch this, I'll actually acknowledge him in the recap. I may do a recap video after this as well. This one, what is it doing? Why is it doing this? What is this? Low. Why is it going up so much on this low volume? I don't trust it. I'm gonna stick with IPDN up here. Got my little 5 shares ready to go. It's halted again. IPDN. Let's go ahead and refresh this right here. It should show us another volatility halt. I'm okay with the halts as long as I'm not in them. Let me take profit before, because I know when it moves up that much, I'm like, nah, let's not lose money here. Okay, waiting. This thing's up 104%. So IPDN, it closed at the 10:11. And let me go look at the halt scanner so I can see the exact time that it closed, so I can know when it's going to open. 10:11, 32 seconds. So it'll open up on the 5 minutes. Let's see. 10:11 to 10:16, 30 something. 16:32. Wait a minute. Why does it? I don't even see it anymore. It's not. IPDN. I don't even see it on the halt scanner no more. Oh, there it is. Okay, 10:11:32. 10:11:32. We'll be ready for it to come out of this halt in just a minute. So 10-16-32 is where we're looking. 10-16-32. 16-32. Come out of this halt, it may slam down, it may go higher, but I can take I don't know, I got $80. So $80, 392, 80 divided by that. I can take 20 more shares of this. So let's see what it wants to do here. Twenty more shares of this. Got about 30 seconds to resumption. 20 seconds to resumption now. All right, we're getting ready. Ready. There it is, opened up. Let's see if it gives us a move down. What's the high of that? The high is the 420. Gee whiz, it went big. Okay, let's go ahead and grab some. Oh wow, through the 5, I guess I have to grab a quick bite. Let's see, we see sellers up here attacking it. Tell me it just didn't. No, it's not halted. Sellers, go ahead and knock that thing down. If it goes through the 5, I'll buy some more. Why is it so still? Tell me it's not halted. It's not halted though. What is it planning on doing? Through the 5. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I missed that one. I did miss that one. So let's do the 525 since it's so volatile. 525 for a buy-in spot. Because it's not halting up much. Like it halted here. It opened right here. So yeah, it opened up pretty high. So we'll do the 515. I can't believe I missed that one. But I'm kind of glad I did because I would have been holding into that halt. Still, we are green on the day, baby. Green on the day. Growing this account back up. I started today with $980 something or something like that. Trying to get it back up to 1,000. I did take some losing days, so gotta work on that, man. Work on that. Definitely be closing up after these couple of trades on IPDN. Wow. Yeah, those low volume stocks, man, they will hurt you. 75 cents. I don't like the movement on that one. That one halted down, which is what I think is about to happen to IPDN. It's going to halt down. It closed. Let's go back to the halt scanner. IPDN. IPDN halted at 10-17-15. So 5 minutes will be the 22-15. 22-15 is our spot to be looking. We're waiting and watching. But guys, I hope that you are liking this video. Please, if you do like it, please let me know in the comment section. I will be trying to make this a consistent thing, because now I have my strategy. I know that most of my losers come from open. So within that first 5 to 10 minutes of the market open, that's when I lose the most money. After that, my accuracy actually goes way up. So my accuracy after the first 15 minutes is probably about 60 or 70%. after the first 15 minutes. So that's where I want to be aiming, right? Because 60 to 70% means that if I take 7 trades, or if I take 6 trades, or if I take 10 trades, 6 of those will be winners. So that's what I want to focus on right now. We got about 2 minutes, and we'll see if this thing is going to drop or stop. And I did want to go ahead and put an order out there for the 525 break, just in case it goes up there. I can sell really quick, and it may actually become an area of resistance. So we'll see. Put that order up there on the open. Maybe it'll snap up there and I can sell really quick. We'll see. Got about 22.15 is when it'll open up. 22.15. If it can get up to the 6s, that would be nice. Actually, I put an order at the 550 as well. 551. So we got 2 orders out there, and we'll be ready to sell as soon as it opens, if it doesn't go down first. Got about 10 seconds now. 10 seconds to open. We're going to see if it's going to go up or down. I put my orders way away from it. All right, cool. Wow. Okay, it came up and sold me there. I'm gonna go ahead and get out there. I'm gonna look for the high of the 556 here. 56, 557. Yeah, I went ahead and got out there because I saw it kind of being weak, so I didn't want to risk that. It did pop up there just momentarily through it all, so I just wasn't quick enough to take that profit. So I went ahead and jumped out there. $26 left. Let's see if anything else wants to play. Okay, this one, 222. That's a little bit higher float there. Don't really like the way that it's moving. Okay, the first 435 is where we need to be in. 435. Can I take 5 shares there? 435. Yeah, we can take that. Let's see if it'll come back up and give us that 435 real quick. Back up to that 9 right there. 9 is at the 477. Let's see what we can get. Can we get a snapback? Snapback. Let's go to the 426. 426 here. Okay, looks like we're gonna get a little bit of movement back up, maybe. All right, yeah. Let's see if we can get it. That high 31. I'm sitting at the 35 there. Looks like it's breaking that body down. Cool. So the next high would be the 422. We'll do a 425 break. Right there on the top of that 1 minute candle, if it can get there. Let's see what it can do here. Because the 9 is all the way up here at the 440s. If it continues to go down, I'll continue to play this move. I want to see that first 1 minute break. Because I know it's going to give a major move back up if it does. Back up to the 9. Yep, here we go. Let's get ready to sell. Off the 4s. Looking for a little bit. Did not get it. Ready to sell quickly. Needs to get back up there to that 9 to 438. Okay. I don't see it happening though. Okay, I gotta cancel that order. It's looking bad. All right. So it did not happen the way that I thought it would. Now the 9 is just too close. I feel like the 9 is going to become resistance right there. I don't really like that setup. The 425 break though, the 426 would be nice on 5 shares if we can get up there and do that. But it just continues to kind of act weak up here. So 426, 427. Let's go ahead and do the 427. Cancel. Buy that 427. That's right above VWAP right there. Let's see if we can get a push through that. Breaking. It looks like it's about to break the 90s. I don't like any of that. Yeah. All right. Well, we will let that live. We are still green on the day. Still green on the day here. Job not looking nice. The top of this is the 150 area. Let's just see what we can do here. $1, so we can get 10 shares of this through the 150 if it can get up there. But it's just not moving like that. Needs to get some buying pressure here. The high is the 44, 150. Let's go ahead and put it at the 151. I want to see a break of that 150. 15 shares. Can I get 15 shares? Yeah. Break of that 150 would be really nice. Okay, JOB. Let's see, IPDN. Just not looking like I wanted to now. I don't really like that. T, JOB. Working its way up there to me. This one, not getting enough trading. Gene. Okay, so JOB is going to be the next one for me. JOB. Can we get that pop through that 150 is what I want to ask. It's working its way up there. The low here is the 130s. It's like it's working its way down a little bit. Yep. All right. Do not like that action. I'll go back up here and look at this one. 417, 425 is where we want to see it kind of blast through. 425 here. I'll take 5 shares. 426 because it is volatile. Let's see, the top of this, the high is the 426, so we'll put it at the 427 if it can hold up here. It needs to hold this bottom here, which is the 369. Okay, looking like it's gonna hold there. And I'll go ahead and put my buy order up there up top just for it to splash through. See if it can get over this level and be ready to sell very quickly. Don't know how high it can go. Not really trying to test it out. $4 up to that $4. Can it push through the 4? Did not. Was not able to push through that 4. Ah, got to get over that 4, push through the 415, get volatile. Looks like it wants to, but we're waiting to see. Buyers coming in right there. Looks like it's about to get volatile here. Looking for that 427 break. Keeps challenging the $4. The 9 is becoming a key level of resistance. It's pushing through the 9 there. Okay, that's nice. Can it go higher? Can we start making some moves up now? And we'll put the bottom, the low is the 392 on this one. That would be our out. 392. Okay, the bottom now, low is a 409. $409 there. Well, not looking too nice right there. So 409 will be our out for these 5 shares if it does get us in. Looks like it wants to make a move up, but it just isn't making that push like we like it. Buyers stepping in now. 409 there. Buyers probably not gonna make it here. I was trying to get in at the 427. Looks like it is gonna go up there, possibly. 427. Out will be the 9 right now at the 405 if it did get a power up. Okay, we are in there. Oh, wow, that was quick. The low is a 403 here. 3 450s. 425 would be a nice out. Okay. 25, 435. Matter of fact, let's do a break even. 430s, 440s. Okay. We'll sell that 5 at the 440s if it wants to come back down. Let's see what it wants to do here. 440s will be out. Yep. Cool. I'll take that little gain. Should have sold up there, but I kind of held it a little long. So that is it for today. We are green on the day. Took multiple trades. I'll show you guys here for you guys that watch the live after I'm done, and then I'll go and show you the these in the recap on a shorter video. So yeah, we're up about 20 bucks. That's nice, whatever. But that's growth on the account. We're looking for around 2% per day. That's my goal, to get consistent 2% per day. And as you can see, even with 5 shares on these volatile stocks, you can make money. But anyway, let's go ahead and close. Let's close it down here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.